Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the PTC heater fuses relays are located on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Guys, stay with us, we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes today as well. Information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share that information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, let's go ahead and explain where you can find the PTC heater fuses relays. They will be hidden, heads up. Now, quick advice guys, 9 out of 10 owners of that Mercedes do not know about all the different fuse boxes in it. Some are very hidden, some do not even look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video our subscribers told us save them thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we guys need to do now here, okay, let's go ahead and start. We need to come to the inside of the car. Now, interestingly enough, that's a hidden fuse box. Where? You see the glove box? If you remove it, behind it, on the left side, in the dash, all the way in the front, you're going to have a fuse box that will look like this one. It will have many cables attached to it, and if you open it, guys, this is the main interior pre-fuse box. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. And here guys, what we need to check here specifically, let's explain now, okay, for the PTC heater. If you have problems with the PTC heater, we will also recommend to check the fuses about the climate control, but we will explain about the main fuse, where you can expect to find it now guys. It's quite humongous fuse, you can see you have big fuses right here, all of those, but the one that we need is fuse number 5, that 150 amp fuse. That will be the one that you will guys need to check. You don't have relays. For relays specifically guys, okay, most likely the function is integrated either in the front SAM module, SAM module, or the rear SAM module, SAM module. Check out the video about front, rear, SAM module, fuses, relays. It will be on our channel. If you check that fuse and it's still good, check the SAM module, fuses, relays, because the problem could be there as well.